Have you ever heard the phrase, how do you eat an elephant? The answer? One bite at a time. We at RetireMax understand that saving $1 million is hard, but it's doable. How? 1 year at a time. Why don't people try? Because they don't think it's possible. The Increase tab is a one-of-a-kind tool that illustrates increasing the retirement account by a specific monthly amount each year with the projected values over time. In this example, I want to increase my contribution amount by $50 a month. Notice the values in 5, 10, and 15 years, and the increased monthly amount for each time period. If a client wants to accumulate $350,000 in 20 years, but can only start at $300 per month, you could illustrate the amount needed to increase each year to generate that number. Using a 4% interest rate and starting with a $50 monthly increase, notice that the increased accumulation is $277,592. So an increase of more than $50 per month would be needed. After trying a few different amounts, we can see that a $72 per month increase would give us $351,547. If a client truly needed to have $350,000 in 20 years, they would now have a blueprint showing how much they would need to increase each year's monthly contribution in order to accomplish that goal. If you want to help your clients stay on track and reach their full potential, all while padding your AUM, master this tab.